What's up YouTube? Welcome to our channel. My name is Abdul.
I'm Nicole.
And this is our baby, Catalina. So today we're gonna be getting Nicole's
a new car.
Finally, after almost a year, because last year we got into a big accident, but like 7 cars got like total crash, whatever, and our car got totaled. So finally today we're gonna get a new car, because yesterday we weren't planning on getting this car till Nicole's birthday.
Yeah.
But yesterday we were like, okay, let's just go to the dealership and just go check it out, you know, whatever. Then we're like, okay, then we found the one we were actually looking for. So the dude was like, oh, we could just get it. Like, we talk about a couple details. We don't have to wait that long. I'm like, okay, we could just do it. So today we can pretty much like go finalize everything. So we're gonna be taking you guys with this journey. So make sure you stick around to the end of this video so you all can see the car. So we're gonna be seeing you in a few minutes. All right, guys.
Bye.
All right, guys. We are finally at the dealership. So we just talked to the salesman. So we're going up there to go.
You can still sit there.
So
what month did you print it? Because the last one I got was December 21st.
Okay. Well, I didn't know if that was enough.
Yeah. I just wanted to know if you're printing any more so I could stay over there.
Oh, okay. Well, you said 3 months, so I didn't know if I was gonna do for the.
Because I got these right here. This is the last one. 12/21. Do you have it?
The deposit was for January. Okay, so I think there was one more.
Okay, so you got one more coming in.
And then I can print this one out. I think this one too.
Okay, now you're not crying no more? You're not crying no more? You're not crying no more? Huh?
Oh, and then right here, this is what the payments would be like with your 3,500. It would be at 360 to 377. So that's way better than what you had last time, was close to 400. So you're okay with this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Just need your signature right there, and then I can print out the rest. So I'm gonna take this, since these are all yours.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Do that, and then do this, so I can staple them together.
Alright, thank you. So as y'all can see, we pretty much just came in, talked to the salesman, so he's handling everything. I think we're walking away with a car. We're going home today with Coke's car. Finally. I swear to God, I'm so happy. Like, it's been like almost a year now, I think when did the accident happen? April? I can't remember. I knew it was last year though. I remember way before the summer. So okay, and what happened? Did she hit her head? I don't think so. Maybe when she was sleeping or something. No, I think they're just like sleeping or something, like just really like.
She's trying to climb on this.
So either way, so he just went in. This one's trying to be. She was crying all the way coming over here. Okay, as I was saying, I'm happy because my car is really tight. I don't know. I can show you my car. I'm driving a Scientist. I don't know if you know, but it's really small, so it's tight. Imagine with Catalina having a car seat, a big car seat, trying to squeeze it in, trying to squeeze me in, try to buy stuff. Like, it's really tight, you know. I can feel like the car is more like a 1-person car, 2-person car. Now that we have a whole family, I feel like it's better to get an SUV. At least we upgraded from, because she had a Nissan Altima before, so now at least we went up to the SUV. So y'all, I'm happy, man. I'm glad. So in a few, let's say in an hour or so, we're gonna be walking over the car. So stay tuned. Hey, as you're watching this video, make sure you subscribe. Don't just watch. Make sure you subscribe. Join the family. Join the gang. You're gonna see more videos. Alright, so we're just gonna wait for him. So we're gonna see you in a few. Alright. And alright guys, we just finished everything.
After a few hours.
Couple hours. We've been here for like that's a long time. Y'all know how it is. So,
and we were already here yesterday for like 2 hours.
3 hours? Yeah. About 2 hours. So now, I'm talking to you guys. We just got the car. We just got the new car, y'all. We just got the new car. See the baby now? Like, there's a lot of space. You know, now we got a family. So, wow. It looks. I'm gonna show you how it looks outside.
I'm so excited.
I'm gonna show you how it looks outside. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. So that's it, guys, man. It's a nice Mazda 6.5. Pretty good miles. Like, I'm so excited and I'm happy. Now we finally have space. Like, yo, look at the car we've been driving. My car. See how tight it is? I mean, I will show you inside, but come on, man, it's dirty, but we're not gonna do too much. But that car was pretty tight. It's a 2-door car. Imagine. And the back seat was pretty hard with this big car seat and all. So it was pretty hard to like fit in, you know. So
getting in and out every single day.
Yeah, it was terrible.
Plus buying groceries.
I get the keys. I get the keys. Yeah, we got it.
Yeah, it's been hard.
I'm happy for you, Nicole. I'm happy for us.
For us, I mean, it's for me, but it's for both of us.
So yo, man, thank you for.
Yeah.
All right, guys. If you started from the beginning watching the video up to now, give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Man, I don't even know what it is. I'm just happy.
Yeah, we're just so excited.
Y'all stay tuned for more videos. See you on the next video. Yeah, peace.